I've been getting a lot of questions about how to sign up for Walmart Spark in Canada, so I just wanted to make a quick video for all of you Canadians out there so you can get all signed up for Walmart Spark, get accepted, and start driving. Now, there's one thing that I want to mention before I get into this video, and that is that Walmart Spark is only available in Ontario, Canada at this time. It's only available in Mississauga, Etobicoke, Scarborough, Richmond Hill, London, and Brampton, all within Ontario, Canada. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this website. It's drive4spark.walmart.com/ca. Here you'll see this page. You'll just want to click on either sign up or the get started now link. This will get you over to this steersg.com/spark-driver website. This website will tell you everything that you need to know about Walmart Spark on it. We can just go through that really quickly. Steer is kind of like how DDI used to be the company that did Walmart Spark for the US. So it's like the administrator. It takes care of everything such as onboarding, taking care of background checks, payments, driver support, all of that. Here's some benefits of delivering for Walmart Spark. So in order to sign up for Walmart Spark in Canada, you must be 23 or older. You must have a valid G driver's license, a clean criminal background check, vehicle registration that's current, and valid vehicle insurance. Here's just a quick guide. If you're looking for anything such as getting started with Walmart Spark in Canada, you're having issues with payments, you get deactivated, or you need to make an appeal, then Steer is going to be the company that you're going to want to talk to, and here's their information. If you have any problems with delivery, such as like you're doing a delivery at that moment and you need some support in real time, you're having issues with the Spark Driver app, or you have any general questions about the Spark Driver program, then here's the information for Walmart Spark and you should contact them. All you're going to do is when you're ready, go to this thing, hit sign up now, put in your first name, your last name, your email address, phone number, which area you would like to deliver in. And then for the message, I'm not really sure what they want there. If I were you, I would probably put in any sort of like past experience doing any sort of deliveries or anything like that that could help your case, so that way they're maybe more likely to hire you. I'm not really sure why there is a message section there, but just include as much information as you can. So when you're done, just hit submit. And then I can't go any further than that because I don't want it to like mess up things using like US numbers and going through it. But I imagine that they're just going to forward you to another page where you're going to have to fill out some forms such as like tax documents. You're going to have to upload a picture of your driver's license and enter in the information about your driver's license. You're going to have to go through some terms and conditions and agree to a criminal background check. You're going to have to upload your registration and your vehicle insurance, and that should pretty much be it. And then you'll find out if you were accepted as a driver. They'll either give you a text or they'll email you. So just look out for that. And when you do get accepted, you have 45 days to make a delivery. Otherwise, your account will be deactivated and you'll have to appeal to have it be reactivated due to inactivity. So this is just a pretty quick video, just because I can't really go through the sign up process and give you like a full walkthrough, but it should be pretty self-explanatory. If you do run into any problems or anything, feel free to reach out to Steer. They're going to be the people that will be able to help you get your application finished and completed so that way you can start driving. Hope you like this quick little video. Hey to all you Canadians out there, and good luck with getting signed up. I'll see you in another video. Bye.